Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll bake cake. It's pretty simple actually. All you need is sugar and potassium nitrate. It's a really great oxidizer. So let's just mix the both containers like this. Yeah, so it's done, and let's just mix it more thoroughly. Yeah. Okay, so this is our mold. I'll just pour it in, and this is the fuse that we'll use. Sorry, the candle. It's also DIY. To make it look good, I'll spread it out a little bit. Yeah, I think that's good.